What made you lose interest in a person you had a crush on? She took a cat she had adopted and allowed it to run away because it had become noisy at night. I knew she allowed him to run away because a day later, he came back smelling of the outside and meowing at her door. I took him in, washed him in the bathroom, and she kept sarcastically saying, "That's your cat now!" Yeah, he is. And I still have him. He's still annoying and loud, but I love him anyway. It's the ugliest sort of person who selfishly adopts a cat while depressed and then tries to rid themselves of this life they took responsibility for.